Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. As we know, December is the best month for shopping. So I did a little bit of that. First, I'm gonna show you some items that I got from Nordstrom rack. So what I mentioned a while ago, it's December, and here in Canada and other parts of the world, these are one of the months that we have to put on some layers. I'm sure most of you already know what it means, right? Meaning you need to have a shirt, a long sleeve shirt, a sweater, a jacket, scarves, or whatever that can keep us nice and warm during this winter season. So first that I want to show you is this one. Mentioned we have to put on some layers, and this one, since it's white and it's not that long, I can pair it with almost everything. Yes, this can be an inner shirt for me, and I don't have to worry about tucking it in because it's not that long. So that's the reason. All right, next one is this very basic black shirt, also found in Nordstrom rack. It's not too long, and I can also use this as an inner shirt, and of course I can also use this during summer. So yeah, summer, winter, fall, and spring. So there it is, guys. Very simple. I have nothing much to say about it, but looks like nice cotton and comfy shirt. See? Next stuff that I'm gonna show you are from Victoria's Secret, even though it says pink in the paperback. All right, let's check it out. First one that I got from Victoria's Secret is this sports bra, and it is lightly padded because it's for sports. So yes, it's nice and comfy, and that's the style, guys, at the back. That's the light pads, right? And it is also removable. So there, I'm not sure about the color of this. It looks like lavender or pinkish. Next one is another sports bra that has also medium support. Yeah, I love these sports bras, guys. You can wear it to go for workout or just for everyday use. They're so nice and comfy, and look at the style at the back. So if you're wearing like a backless with this, it's gonna look so nice at the back. And this one is a little bit low compared to the first one that I showed you. There it is. The last one that I got from Victoria's Secret is this incredible essential leggings that has also soft and wicking fabric to keep you nice and dry. For a disclaimer, guys, this vlog is not sponsored by Victoria's Secret. I'm just telling you this information because I love their products, and that's what it's all about, right? It's quality of the material. It's not my first time to buy products from them because that's how good the quality of their products are. So yes. So these leggings is high-rise, guys, and it has flat satin stitchings, and it has pockets on the side where I can put my cell phone. Yeah, it has pockets on both sides, and also a small pocket here where you can put your keys if you will go for a walk or run. So I'm sure some of you guys been buying in Victoria's Secret for a long time. So just comment down below what kind of colors of leggings you have, what are the styles, and also don't forget to subscribe in my channel. All right, so that's that. So let's move along to another brand that I really like. So it's December, and what's the best way to keep me nice and warm is, of course, to get some sweaters. That one, guys. This one is, I think, olive green. Is that how you call this color? Olive green. And this one is from Gap. I bought some items from Gap because they were on sale, and this one looks so nice and comfy. So that's that. And the next one is this mustard color sweater. They have the same style, guys. It's also v-neck, but as what I've said, it's winter, so that's what it is, right? Like, I really don't mind if I have several sweaters that are same style, because I can pair them with different bottoms anyway. Can be jeans, can be skirt, and then leggings under the skirt. And so there it is, guys. And the last one that I got from Gap is this cute sweatshirt. Look how cute it is, guys. It says Mickey, and Mickey is right there. It's a nice white sweater. This one is also in size small. Yes, it's size small. But as you can see, it looks like large. And you know what? This is the only small left in their store. So yeah, I decided to take this regardless of the size. I could have gotten an extra small, but this is the smallest size. I'm not even aware if they have an extra small for this one, but when we went there, they have only small, and that's how small looked on me, right? It's big, but it's okay. It's nice and cozy. And this sweatshirt, of course, is nice and warm inside. It has fleece. All right, guys, so last but not least is this shoes from New Balance. I like what it says in this paper bag. It says follow no one. Yes, I really can't help but share that to you guys. Follow no one. It's good to listen to other people's advice, but sometimes you just have to follow your gut, and that's spot on. All right, it says here, fearlessly independent minus the year. Right, fearlessly independent. I like that too. All right, so let's check out what kind of shoes I got from New Balance. This pair of shoes, guys, are made in USA. The reason why I decided to get this pair of shoes is because of my work. I decided to get a pair of comfy shoes that I can wear for 8 hours without hurting my feet. Though the one that I got are narrow shoes. I would prefer to get a standard size because my feet are really not narrow, but the thing is, there's no other standard size shoes in my size when we went to 3 New Balance shoe store. So instead of me ordering it online and waiting for it, I decided to myself to just get this. So yeah, I'm sure you already have an idea of what kind of shoes I got, guys. Now the question is, what's the color of the shoes inside this box? Let's find out. All right. So there it is, guys. This is the color of the shoes that I got. Here, let's take it out of the box so you can have a better look at it. So there they are, guys. As what I've said, I bought this for work. So that's the front. Here, I'll move a little closer. You can see there the flag of USA because it's made in USA. The model of the shoes is number 990V5. That's the side and that's the back. If we will check inside, it says New Balance, right? And it says ultra soft, insert comfort, and ortho light. So though they look a bit heavy, guys, because they are made of rubber, suede, and mesh, but this pair of shoes are so nice and comfy. That's the bottom part of the shoes. It says here New Balance. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it says, New Balance. All right, guys, so that's the shopping that I did. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time, bye.